Hi students, have a nice day. Today we are going to learn about very important lesson, that is matter around us. Students, in our daily life we can see these objects. Do you know what are they? They all are matters because they have mass and occupy space. Next, we move to classification of matter. In class 8th, you have studied the classification of matter on the basis of their physical state. Now, let us see how we can classify matter on the basis of chemical composition. The flowchart which is given here will help us to understand the chemical classification of matter in detail. Matter is classified into two types. They are pure substance and impure substance. The pure substance is divided into two types, that is elements and compounds. The impure substance is also divided in two types, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now we can see about elements. Already we know that there are 118 elements in periodic table. First, we can learn about the definition of elements. All substances on earth are made up of certain simple substances are called elements. There are few examples of elements given in this picture, such as hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, etc. The elements are classified as three types. They are metal, metalloid, non-metal. Now let us learn about compounds. What is meant by compound? I will say the definition of compounds. When two or more elements combine chemically to form a new substance, the new substance is called compound. For example, sodium chloride is made up of two elements, sodium and chlorine. The chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. It's also known as common salt. Next, we learn about mixture. It contains two or more kinds of elements or compounds or both physically mixed together in any ratio, that is called mixture. For example, air and lemonade. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases, and also lemonade is a mixture of lemon juice, sugar and water. Now we can see about the differentiate between mixture and compound. So first, mixture contains two or more substances and compound contains single substance. And next, mixture may be separated easily by physical methods and compound only be separated by one or more chemical reaction. Students, listen carefully. This topic is very important and the name is types of mixture. The mixture is classified as two types. They are homogeneous and heterogeneous. The homogeneous mixture is divided into two types. They are true solution and alloys. The heterogeneous mixture is also divided into two types, that is suspension and colloids. Next we see about homogeneous mixture. A mixture in which the components cannot be seen separately is called homogeneous mixture. For example, tap water, milk, air, coffee, ice cream, etc. Next we move to heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which the components can be seen separately is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, sugar and sand, oil and water, and fruit salad, etc. For the next video, we will learn about separation of mixture in part 2. Thank you.